Is money worth jeopardizing 28 lakh futures? Well, SSC thinks otherwise. I'll tell you all about it, but before that, watch this video. This video is from Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur, where this girl was not allowed to enter the examination hall just because there were not enough seats inside. Can you imagine the helplessness? After years of preparation, standing outside the examination hall after traveling miles together and being told you cannot enter the examination hall just because there are not enough seats. Hi, I'm Kirtana and today I'll be talking about the game that SSC is playing with 28 lakh aspirants, or in fact more. So the SSC CGL 2025 has started from 12 September and to be conducted till 26 September 2025. But in the first 3 days, we can see that 32 shifts across the country have been cancelled due to various reasons. Reasons like system crash, software problems, biometric verification failure, and as silly as seats not being available in the exam center. But who is actually responsible for this? Well, all this problem started when SSC changed its vendor from the trusted TCS to Edequity. Mind you, it's a blacklisted company, to conduct the SSC exams. Edequity's name has been surfaced multiple times in paper leaks and cheating cases. In 2020, the government had declared Edequity ineligible to conduct the DGT exam. Now, despite all this, why do you think SSC changed its vendor from TCS to Edequity? Just because Edequity agreed to conduct the exam for half the price that TCS was conducting. Really? Was money really worth jeopardizing so many aspirants' future and lives and dreams? In the July selection post phase 13 exams, centers were given in such places that even Google Maps failed to recognize them. Even if somehow the aspirants made it to the exam center, they were told exams have been cancelled, exams have been postponed, we don't have place, the system is not working. Despite this, SSC showed absolutely no accountability. And when teachers and students protested against it in the Delhi Chalo movement, the teachers were arrested by the police. Now, when the SSC CGL exam, which was originally supposed to happen in August, was postponed to September, the aspirants hoped and prayed that this problem will not arise again. But no, even as I speak right now, exams in multiple centers are being cancelled. See, this isn't just mismanagement, this is betrayal. SSC, you owe answers because playing with 28 lakh futures, it cannot be just your experiment, right? So I demand accountability, I demand justice, I stand with the aspirants, and I hope and pray that you really bring some changes into your system and give justice to the aspirants.